Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be looking at a few interesting developments making waves right now, including Google DeepMind's latest research into AI agents that can browse the web autonomously, Meta's push to bring its Llama models into more enterprise environments, a new open-source coding assistant that has developers buzzing, and some fresh moves from OpenAI on the pricing front for their API. So let's get into it. Google DeepMind has been making some noise lately with research focused on building AI agents that can actually navigate the web on their own. The idea here is that instead of just answering questions or generating text, these agents can open a browser, click through pages, fill out forms, and complete multi-step tasks the way a human would. Think of it like giving an AI its own computer and letting it figure out how to book a flight or compare prices across shopping sites. The team at DeepMind has been refining how these agents understand web page layouts and interactive elements, and early results show they are getting significantly better at completing real-world tasks without human hand-holding. A representative from the DeepMind team noted that the goal is to move from AI that assists to AI that acts on your behalf with reliability and precision. That framing is pretty telling. We are moving toward a world where your AI does not just draft the email but actually sends it, schedules the meeting, and follows up. The practical applications here are enormous, especially for productivity tools and accessibility. People who struggle with complex digital interfaces could benefit massively from agents that just handle the workflow end-to-end. Over at Meta, the company has been steadily expanding access to its Llama family of models in enterprise settings. The latest updates make it easier for businesses to deploy Llama models on their own infrastructure, which is a big deal for companies that have strict data privacy requirements and cannot send sensitive information to external APIs. Meta has been positioning Llama as the go-to open-weight model for organizations that want power and flexibility without being locked into a single provider. Mark Zuckerberg has talked about this strategy repeatedly, emphasizing that open-source AI is going to be the foundation of the next wave of innovation. What we are seeing now is that message translating into actual adoption. More companies are spinning up Llama-based solutions internally for everything from customer service automation to internal knowledge management. The fine-tuning ecosystem around Llama has also matured quite a bit, with community-built tools making it straightforward to customize these models for niche use cases without needing a massive machine learning team on staff. Now shifting gears to the developer tools space, there is a new open-source coding assistant that has been picking up a lot of traction in the past few days. Built on top of several leading open-weight models, this tool plugs directly into popular code editors and offers real-time code suggestions, bug detection, and even automated refactoring. What sets it apart from some of the existing options is that it runs locally on your machine, meaning your code never leaves your laptop. For developers working on proprietary software or in regulated industries, that local-first approach is a huge selling point. Early adopters on developer forums have been praising its speed and the quality of its suggestions, with several noting that it holds up surprisingly well against cloud-based alternatives. The project's maintainers have said they are focused on keeping the tool lightweight and community-driven, which has resonated with developers who are wary of vendor lock-in. It is also completely free, which certainly does not hurt adoption. And finally, OpenAI has made some adjustments to their API pricing that are worth paying attention to. The company has lowered costs on several of their most popular model tiers, making it cheaper for developers and startups to build applications on top of GPT-4o and other models in the lineup. This is part of a broader trend we have seen, where inference costs keep coming down as the infrastructure becomes more efficient. OpenAI has stated that their mission remains making AI broadly accessible, and pricing is obviously a huge lever for that. For smaller teams and independent developers, even modest price reductions can be the difference between a project being financially viable or not. The updated pricing also applies to their batch processing endpoints, which is great news for companies running large-scale data analysis or content generation pipelines. The reaction from the developer community has been largely positive, with many noting that competition in the model provider space is clearly driving these kinds of consumer-friendly moves. Each of these developments in its own way is pushing things forward in a practical, tangible direction. Whether it is agents that handle tasks for you, open models you can run on your own terms, developer tools that respect your privacy, or pricing that opens doors for more builders, the momentum right now is really something to be excited about.
Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.